Hello, this is Mohammad Azhar from Web Trainings Academy. Today I would like to share a new update from Google. That is on August 7th, we have got an article from Search Engine Land that Google has updated the local pack from showing 7 results. Actually, initially we used to get the 7 results, but now Google have actually made around the pack as 3 results. And also I did a bit of analysis of some of my websites, some of the common sites I used to track, and I have seen that yes, pretty much change has been done. A lot of change has been done in this particular context. So let us have a view about what are the things have changed, what are the options have changed, so that you get an idea of what this change really mean to you. If you just check out, I have a screenshot of one of my old one of the ranking which I used to track earlier. Now if you see here, this is a keyword I have typed in 2014. Okay, the actual keyword I typed, because I'm from Hyderabad, so I typed the keyword hotels, because Google also automatically attaches your location for certain queries which have a intent of a location. But if you see what I got at that time, that's in 2014, was I got the hotels website and make my trip. But after that, you see, I got hotel 1, hotel 2, and we used to get actually the 7 results, and pretty up to 2 or 3 days back we were getting 7 results for some of the category. And also I have been seeing in one of my initial analysis when we were doing before, from 1 month or 2 months onwards, I was seeing that the hotel category, before this change happened, I have checked this in hotels category. Specifically, if you take for hotels in Hyderabad, I was actually checking of these details where I was seeing the results which were basically of 3 pack. Then even I have in some of my sessions and classes I explained to the class that this being change has been done specifically for hotel industry. But now we got an update from Google that they have made a lot of changes now, and this 3 pack is now going to affect all the users in the all the different businesses in the search engines. Now let us also understand what things have been changed, what are the things which have been changed after this particular specific update, so that we get an idea of what other things happen and how that things will really affect our regular websites and regular ranking. So let us see one more example here. If you just I have written one blog yesterday. I have just written a blog yesterday to just make sure I give you all the important points, so you get an idea of what things happen in after this local update. Okay, now if you see here, there are some very important points I have mentioned. Number one, 7 changed to 3, and additional graphic elements added for good UI design. Exactly, that's if you just search for this hotels keyword, you will see that there is a good change in the graphic where they are also showing up some internal the pricing, as well as they have given, this is for hotel category, they have given rating, you can opt it for rating by hotel class and other stuff. For hotels and specific type of businesses, they have given this custom UI and also the price, and as well as this option. That's one new addition. That's a great, that picture prices etc, that's a good thing. And when a user click on a listing, it's not redirecting to the website. I can tell you, this is such a negative in terms of your the website traffic is concerned. We are going to actually see a very heavy decline in the CTR. You may say why? Because the previous listing which I have given here, you see there is no option of a website over here, but if you just click on this listing or this listing, you are automatically redirected to the actual website. But now the new change is, if I click on any of this listing, just have a look at this, I click on the Taj Banjara Hotel. So now what I get is, I'm not redirecting, the user is not getting redirected to the website directly. Now we have to, again, the user, if he wants really to just visit the website, he has to click on this button and go to the website. And again, a problem is, again here we can have an ad. Google is displaying one more ad. So I can tell you, this is actually the comparison ad again. But the problem is, now the issue is, if you are looking for any segment, we have a big issue, because the problem is user cannot directly click and go. And there is one big problem, there is no option of a website here directly given. But for certain categories, if you take for example, let's take a category of web designing course category. That's one of our segment we are maintaining local listings there. So if you see for one of our certain segment, because it's not having price or something like that, so now you see this particular option here. The user can click, but he will go to maps, but he can actually click on this website, or he can click on the directions. So I would also would like to see like how this change happened, what happened for this change on a mobile device, so that we can understand what it looks like if I'm looking for a mobile version. Okay, let's have a look at that option as well. So I've changed my bot to iPhone. So let's take on web designing course in Hyderabad. So we can just see the results. Okay, and if you just check out in from a mobile device, if I'm searching on, I'm just changing this option. So what I will do is in a while now I will try to upload this option if I'm coming up from a direct mobile, not from a change that's a not from just an iPhone user agent. So I will just check out on a mobile and just update this how it may look like in this options. And if you are pretty much sure, if you just check out from your mobile as well, you know the expectation is you may get 1 or 3 listings in a mobile, and mostly I have seen there is a 1 listing in a mobile, but we can just check out Google can change that particular strategy. So this is an update. So please have a look at your CTR rate, and also have a look at your traffic from the analytics to understand whether your traffic, whether your clicks are going down, because there's a more chances that your traffic may go down because the Google is not directly linking up to the user to that particular specific option directly. So we have to just make sure you can just check this option. Thank you very much, and this is a new update from Google. You can visit our website www.webtrainings.in, and also you can follow us on Facebook. That is our Facebook URL is facebook.com/web trainings academy, and also you can subscribe on our YouTube channel for more videos, and we update videos based on the updates based on different tutorials. So you can like and you can comment, and you can also share with us what do you feel about our videos. Thank you very much.